Oh, my head. Oh. I was captured. Let me out. Let me out already. Okay. Oh, gosh. Should be a guard downstairs. I'm not sure. See what's in this room. Some gold. Put it in my pocket. Okay, now I'm gonna sword. Iron. Wonder what smithing level he used.
He had a bench like you. Then I lost it. Got an adder and then
I stabbed you. I feel sorry for all the Skyrim guards. They all take arrows through me.